How to change your default language on your Android device. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change your default language on your Android device. Okay, straight into it. So first, go to Settings, then next, scroll down until you get to General Management. Then, click on the first option, which should be Language. And as you can see, I only have one language set up on my phone. If I want to add another one, I'll click on Add Language. Next, I'll click on the language that I would like to choose. Now, at this point, I can set this language as being the default language. I'm going to click on Keep Current, and I'm going to show you another way to swap between the default languages. So now, as you can see, I've got two options here for my language. First is always the default, so if I wanted to change my default language, I would just highlight or click on the language that I want to change the default, and then I can drag it up. And now that language is my default language on my phone. If I want to change it back, again I can just drag it down, and now English is again the default language on my phone. If I no longer want to use another language, I can also click on Remove, and it's going to remove the second language. And that's all it takes to change the language on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.